What's up, guys? I told you paradiddles are fun, right? What's up, guys? CJ here. Today I'm going to show you a pretty cool Paradiddle Ostinato on the drum kit. Now, I know the last video I did, we talked about the paradiddle and its permutations. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the basic paradiddle and how you can apply it to a pretty cool ostinato groove on the drum kit. Now, what is an ostinato, you might ask? An ostinato means repeated or repeating pattern or rhythm. So technically, drummers do this all the time. Even playing a simple 4/4 groove, it's technically an ostinato, but when drummers talk about ostinato, we usually divide our bodies into two, so the feet are going to play one pattern while the hands are playing another pattern, or freely even. Okay, so this ostinato groove consists of the paradiddle being played in 8th notes, 16th notes, and 32nd notes. Now, it sounds way more difficult than it actually is, but the tricky part is while playing the paradiddle, you're going to play double strokes with your bass drum and your hi-hat. Alright, the first one, I'm going to play the paradiddle as 8th notes while maintaining my feet playing double strokes. Let me show you. Okay, now for the second one, I'm going to play the paradiddle as 16th notes, so it's basically going to line up with my feet. And this is the trickiest one, in my opinion. Let me show you. Alright, the third and last one. The paradiddle is going to be played as 32nd notes while still maintaining the double strokes in 16ths with my feet. Let me show you. Alright everyone, that was the Paradiddle Ostinato. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I learned this pattern when I was about 13, 14, and I'm 28 right now, so I'm still working on it. It's a fun exercise that helped me with my independence, basically, like dividing up my body into several parts. So like my right and left hand are playing one thing and my feet are playing another, and keep switching it up and maybe do like double strokes with your hands and the paradiddles with your feet. That's for another video. But this is a really good exercise to work up on your independence as a drummer and your coordination. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to this channel. I appreciate it. And hit that bell thingy too to stay updated on all the content I'm releasing. Check me out on my Instagram as well, at Hökdal91. It's a Swedish name, so I can't use the umlauts, you know. Like, share, and subscribe. You know what to do, folks. Thanks for watching, and keep on drumming.